Here in this video, we will show you how to create custom private name servers in WHM via Freenoms domain. If you have purchased or got a free domain from freenom.com and if you would like to create private name server, then first of all log into your domain panel and then go to Manage Domain. Now from here, click over Management Tools and then click over Register Glue Records. Now from here you can create your private name servers easily. For example, ns1.yourdomain.com and then type the IP address on the right hand side. Finally click over the plus icon. Similarly, again enter ns2 and again enter the IP address of the name server 2 and then again click over plus icon. Finally, in this way, your two name servers are created successfully. Now again go to My Domains and then go to Manage Domain. Now from here, select Management Tool and then select Name Servers. Modify the name servers to the one that you have created just now. You simply need to type the private name servers over here. Finally, click over Change Name Servers. Now in this way, all the work related to domain panel is now completed. Now go to your WHM and then go to Server Configuration. Now again go inside Basic Web Host Manager Setup. Now enter the name server 1 and name server 2 as your private name server that you have created just now. Finally, click over Save Changes. Now again go to WHM and then go to DNS Functions. Now from here, click over Edit DNS Zone. Now select the domain name into which you created private name server. Click over Edit. If the domain name that you created the private name server, that is main domain, is not visible here, then in that case you need to open its cPanel and then go to Advanced Zone Editor. Both are same things. Now from this page, create a private name server from here. Simply enter the complete private name server, select a record and then type the IP address over here. Fill the information as shown and then click over Save. Now in this way, your primary name server is created successfully. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to buy WHM reseller hosting with private name server feature, then in that case simply grab a new reseller hosting from redserverhost.com. It's economical and reliable.